Hey beauties, how are you? Ooh, I'm exhausted at this moment because one of my lights was broken, so I had to dig out an old light, and it was broken where it hooks up on the stand, so there was no way to attach it, but I wasn't going to let that stop me. I took every screw and nut apart of that stand, and I found a way to attach it, and now I'm exhausted. So I have been on a clam kick. I mean, raw clams. So I know that eating a dozen a day is not good and it's too expensive. But I buy about 3 pounds and I try to get them under $7. So it costs me like $21, and I usually get about 21 clams. And what I do is I come home and I scrub them with the scrub brush in the sink with hot water. No, with cold water. So after I do that, I freeze them in a bag and I have them whenever I want. So I'll take out 2 at a time and I'll have 2 a day because I'm really hooked on that and corn on the cob with I can't believe it's not butter. This we just put right in the microwave, leaves and all, for about 7 minutes, and this cooks up beautifully. And then my addiction is the I can't believe it's not butter. Either this or the light one. I try to get the light one if they have it. And this is a good fat. It's plant-based oils. It contains omega aloe, purified water, and a pinch of salt. And this is also, I'm trying to find, American Heart Association approved. And let me tell you, the flavor is out of this world. 0% trans fat, 40% fewer calories than butter, 70% less saturated fat than butter. This is your butter alternate, but this is great just right on top of bread, of corn, of potatoes. It's just incredible taste. You have to keep refrigerated. It also does come in, okay, it comes in sticks. This isn't it, but it comes in sticks. But you can't keep it on the counter like you would keep regular butter. You can't keep it there, because it just turns to mush. But you keep it in the refrigerator. Don't let it melt, you know, on the counter. And it is so delicious. If you've never tried it. Plus, I'm so happy that it's American Heart Association approved. There you go. So I'm going to put this in the microwave. So those 2 things really get my appetite going. I make my own cocktail sauce. Okay, so I make ketchup, mayonnaise, and ketchup and mayonnaise is good enough, but if you want to really make it really good and tangy, a little bit of vinegar and Worcestershire sauce. Also, if you had horseradish, you could put that in it. And then lemon juice. Those are my addictions lately. Let me show you what else. I bought this BARBICIDE. So I was cleaning my brushes and my combs, and then I looked on the internet and I saw BARBICIDE. That's what the hairdressers and the barbers use. This stuff kills everything. Fungicide, viricide, I mean everything. And what you're supposed to do with this jar, of course I had to get the jar. Okay, so here's the jar. is fill it with cold water and then put 2 ounces of this in it. And you could keep it at home. You could keep it for a good week at least. But you're supposed to put your utensils in there for 10 minutes and then take them out and rinse them. And they will be sparkling, sparkling clean. So first I clean them with the Olivia garden brush. And I just, both sides, I get every piece of hair and lint, because there's so much lint in the brushes. You go, where did that come from? That comes from the products and from, I don't know, dead skin? I don't know. It's disgusting. But I wanted them sparkling clean. So I bought this. I think it is adorable. It is great to have in the bathroom, and I can disinfect my manicure tools, eyelash curler if I used one, cuticle pushers, scissors, combs, brushes, everything, and hair clips. So sparkling. I think it's just the greatest. And Sally sells the Barbicide jar, and it's the nicest one because it has rubber on the bottom. I didn't like the plain thin glass jars. To me, they're going to break. This is going to be in the corner, and it's not going to break. It's not going to fall off the counter. So today I'm wearing Sally Hansen Impromptu Blue. And that's it for today. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great week. And remember, I love you, and thank you so much for coming by my video. Mwah.